Hey everybody, so we got a new truck. The right truck is our old truck, the Jeep Gladiator. The left one is the new one, which is a 1-ton Ram 3500 high output Cummins air suspension, like basically the full deal. And I'm sure there's probably going to be questions about like the Jeep Gladiator versus the Ram and why are we switching. So anyway, like we've said in our previous videos, we are getting ready to go full-time, and we've decided that the full-time is going to be in a fifth wheel. And so this was what we wanted, and so we are like transitioning basically from brick and mortar to full-time RVing, and hopefully our goal is to try to do that over this summer. So yeah, that's the big change that's coming up. And this is a new truck that we just took today. I'll do some reviews of the truck and everything, and like any kind of tips and tricks type stuff. The back seats go up for Grace, obviously, and this is a little bit of the cab footage, and it has a humongous display on the inside, obviously. This was from when we picked it up, and this is the fifth wheel that we are looking into getting. We do not have it yet, but this is just like a little preview of like our future. So please like and subscribe, and please join us and enjoy the traveling that we do, and camping, and all the different adventures in our life. So we'll see you guys around.